What?
High five.
Oh, easy, easy.
You can't trust him. He's sneaky. If you throw him down, you're going with him.
130. He's 20 pounds lighter than me. And you don't play football?
He plays, yeah.
You're both gonna. You're making a mess.
Al, what do you want from me?